Barbra Streisand. Barbra Streisand. Barbra Streisand. Hey, I'm Vasco and today I'm going to show you how I'm playing Barbra Streisand by Sause. This is very party song and especially combined together with my next video you'll see in a few days. But these two combined are definitely a party starter. So yeah, let's see how to play this one. It's super easy. I'm going to play it on a high G string ukulele, but you can bring whichever one you have in front of you. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so in the whole song we need just 3 chords. The chord of D. Alright, you can grab it like this with 1 finger or with 3 fingers. And then we have the chord of F and the chord of G. And counting to 2, we're doing 2 times D. 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1 time F. 1, 2 to G, 1, 2. And throughout the whole song you're just repeating this chord progression. But let's talk a little bit more about the dynamics, alright? So, of course we have to have a quieter part and a louder part. In the quieter part I'm trying to accent more here on the root note of each chord. On the D, this is on the C string. Then on the F and on the G, it's the E string. And I'm just plucking it once. And also I'm doing it with a lower voice. Barbra Streisand, and here you start strumming very hard and also try to do your falsetto voice. As strumming, I'm doing down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Barbra Streisand, and you start from the beginning. Alright, so when you say Barbra Streisand, basically you're not playing the G chord. And pretty much this sums it up. It's probably one of the shortest tutorials this year, but it's a very fun one, and I found out that pretty much everybody likes to sing along on this one, so it's a great party starter. But of course, wait for my next video where I'm doing another kind of party starter song and combine these two really can start the summer jam. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye. Barbra Streisand.